Wow, what a crowd we have here. Thank you so much for coming. I'm Jeremy Snyder, Chief Commercial Officer here at Slate. It really is so amazing to see so many people in the room and on time. It's amazing. I'd like to take a moment to thank our board, our investors, our partners, and a special thanks to Jeff, Miles, Rod, Will, and especially our entire Slate team, both here and back in Michigan, that is making all of this happen. As many of you know, we have been the best kept secret in the auto industry for the last 3 years, until about 2 weeks ago, when a spy shot emerged, and we quickly realized how much people care about what we've been up to. I couldn't help myself reading some of the comments deep in Reddit and other places. There were a number of fun speculations. Is this Ford Skunk Works project? Or something Rivian maybe hasn't announced yet? Or my personal favorite, Slate is just an anagram for Tesla. I am here to tell you, it is none of those things. Let me throw out a few statistics. 70% of Americans make $100,000 or less per year. The math pencils out that in a responsible budget, one should spend $400 or less on their car payment per month. The average new car payment today, $742. And average used cars are about $525 per month. The industry has been so focused on autonomy and technology in the vehicle, it's driven prices to a place that most Americans simply can't afford. The industry believes that adding value to a vehicle is adding a whole bunch of content and options, and more content and more options, and packages and more content. It's driven prices and complexity up to a point that 70% of new cars have reoccurring warranty issues related to technology. The industry has abandoned the majority of Americans. As all of this is happening, being able to work on your own vehicle, being able to accessorize and customize your car are things of the past. But we're here to change that. Let's take a look.
Our current automotive system is broken. In just the last 20 years, new car prices have more than doubled. Cars are getting bigger, fancier, and more expensive because of stuff. Night vision, fragrance diffusers, Wi-Fi, self-driving, self-parking, crystal-infused speakers. It's all out there. Know what's not out there? An affordable, reliable, new American vehicle that just happens to be electric. We looked at what the auto industry was doing and did the opposite. Instead of asking, what can we add to differentiate, we asked, what can we take away? Our answer, everything that's not a car. We call it the blank slate. A radically simple, radically affordable, radically personalizable car that you can be proud to show off. A two-door pickup truck, actually, that can turn into a 5-seat SUV that can be wrapped in any color under the sun, or the sun itself. Designed to be personalized with over 100 a la carte accessories at any point in time. Or not, because people should decide what to pay for and when, not car companies. People should have a car they love to drive, love to look at, and even love to own. But most people don't really have that choice anymore. At least they didn't, until now. Slate. We built it. You make it.
as you can see, we didn't start Slate to compete with the existing industry. We started Slate to create an entirely new one. To share our story, it is my great honor to welcome the CEO of Slate, Chris Barman.
Thank you, Jeremy. Hello, everyone. I'm Chris Barman, the CEO of Slate. The definition of what's affordable is broken. Slate exists to put the power back into the hands of customers who have been denied this choice by the auto industry. We are building the affordable vehicle that has long been promised, but never been delivered. But with a twist. It's a vehicle people are actually going to love and be proud to own. Many of you have written articles, commented, or discussed with friends, why has the cost of a new car increased so much? Why are they bigger every year with more features that people simply do not want, but are forced into buying? The idea for Slate goes back to 2022, when several visionary thinkers asked, could we build a radically affordable and simple new car? And while we're at it, could it also be radically customizable? Something consumers could be proud to show off. Then we took it a step further. Could we build it here in America? Could it be radically affordable and also be reliable, meet 5-star crash safety standards, and be a life-changing purchase for someone who was only considering used cars? The answer was a resounding yes. Slate is a new American company founded on a disruptive business model. We've simplified the manufacturing process and removed all unnecessary content to reduce cost and increase reliability. You could say we took out everything that wasn't a car, so customers could decide what they want to put back in as accessories in a time frame that makes sense for their wallet. The Slate truck is a beautifully simplified EV 2-door pickup, produced in a single configuration from the factory. It has an approachable and functional design, manual crank windows, and weighty air conditioning knobs. A large trunk with secured storage space that fits 2 roller bags, a couple of duffels, and combined with a spacious cargo bed that has a 1,400-pound payload rating. And more than anything else, Slate is a platform for customization, built in America for America. Let's take a look.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me positive, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't.
Slate. A radical truck platform so customizable that it can be transformed from a 2-seat pickup into a 5-seat SUV. More on that in a minute. Slate trucks are all about accessible personalization. You can select from over 100 accessories available individually or bundled to make the blank slate yours at the time of purchase or as your needs and finances change over time. And our truck will be made here in the USA as part of our commitment to reindustrializing America. To tell you more about our truck, I'm honored to introduce you to Slate's head of design, Tisha Johnson, and Slate's head of engineering, Eric Kuiper.
Thanks, Chris. Isn't this truck amazing? When we started, our North Star was creating a vehicle that people would love. The Slate truck is simple and approachable. It's desirable and deliberately straightforward. Its design elements are both timeless and memorable. We have an icebreaker at Slate that asks, what was your first car? And that question always evokes fond memories. Because as we all know, people get really attached to their cars. So when you see a Slate truck, it should tug at your heart. That's what we're going for. And while compact in size, this truck is confident. We made early decisions that influence how it feels when you see the truck for the first time, and how it feels when you use it. The truck needed to be easier to get into, drive, and load compared to anything else in the market. And that's why you won't struggle to lift your suitcases into its frunk, and the reason you can easily load gear into its ultra-low bed. More than that, the Slate truck is the first new vehicle that's designed to be wrapped. If you've ever had a car wrapped, you know that it can be an expensive process that takes days, not hours, and our approach is different. We developed 2 things to enable the wrap process: vinyl wrap kits cut to fit the shape of the truck, and coach lines that allow the wrap to fit neatly without removing any body trim. And you can wrap it yourself, or we'll do it for you. And it'll take hours, not days. The interior of the truck is just as revolutionary. Instead of spending time developing an operating system that would become quickly out of date and adding cost and complexity with another screen, we went the other direction. Rather than learn a new interface, use the one you already love. Slate introduces the universal phone mount with USB power. And add a dedicated tablet if you want to. From the beginning, we worked with engineering to take the truck that's produced the same way, minimize complexity, and make it infinitely customizable.
Thanks, Tisha. This is awesome. You know, when we started Slate, we took a back to basics, only the essentials approach, and we developed what we called our engineering cornerstones. The first is safety. We knew from the very beginning that we needed to be a US NCAP 5-star rated vehicle because everyone needs a safe truck. Reliability and durability are next, and for truck buyers, we know they go hand in hand. That's why we developed a highly dent resistant composite body panels and wrapped them around our high strength steel Slate board. We focused a lot on making sure that we got the right material in the right place, and our engineering team nailed it. Additionally, we know truck buyers are looking for versatile cargo space with lockable, sealable storage. So we maximized the proportions of the truck and developed a 5-foot truck bed that holds a full sheet of plywood. And that lockable, sealable trunk up front, of course, it has a drain plug. Perfect for tailgating. That back to basics and optimization effort did not stop with product development. We took it to the manufacturing facility as well. Our composite exterior panels allowed us to eliminate a paint shop from the manufacturing facility, cutting down on investment and the ongoing environmental effects that a paint shop brings. Slate is revolutionizing the build process by simplifying it. The truck is built in a single configuration at the assembly plant, no trim options. This will allow us to get to high quality volume production. The only choice is a standard or extended range battery pack. The revolutionary Slate board is our platform designed to be versatile, allowing it to transform seamlessly from a truck to an SUV, or even my favorite, the open air configuration.
That's right. The Slate truck can be anything, even a 5-seat SUV. The flat pack accessory SUV kit turns the truck into an SUV with a roll cage, airbags, and a rear bench. And you can do it yourself, or we'll do it for you. We created 2 accessory body kits ready for conversion, the square back and the fastback. They're part of over 100 accessories that we've developed for the Slate truck so far, from light covers to roof rails. The spirit of DIY and customization runs throughout every element of a Slate because you should have control over how your truck looks, feels, and represents you.
Those same principles guided our approach to engineering and the development of our powertrain here at Slate. Once again, we looked at what the auto industry was doing, and we pivoted. As Jeremy stated earlier, we've been working for well over 2 years in engineering both in the virtual world and in the physical world. And I'm happy to announce today that we are building and testing our beta prototypes, including durability testing and my personal favorite, crashing them into walls. The Slate features a 52.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack, 150 kilowatt motor, that's 201 horsepower, in a rear-wheel drive architecture that provides a targeted range of 150 miles. Additionally, we offer an 84.3 kilowatt-hour pack with a range target of 240 miles. Slate accelerates from 0 to 60 in about 8 seconds, and I can assure you it is fun to drive. Whether you have a charger at home or just access to a standard outlet, you can charge your Slate using our NACS or North American Charging Standard charge port. And I mentioned the goal of meeting 5-star crash safety earlier. Every Slate also has active emergency braking, forward collision warning, and a backup camera. Standard. And I'm excited to report that our early crash tests show that we're meeting or exceeding our targets. Here at Slate, we are redefining versatility for drivers who want the capability of a pickup truck and the people hauling of an SUV.
All of this is possible with the same Slate truck produced exactly the same way from the factory. You know, car designers can sometimes hold our ideas as a bit precious. But once again, we went the other direction. It should be easy to personalize your truck. Slate trucks are designed to be customized from a simple sticker kit to an entirely new and unique look. And when you're ready, you can unwrap and rewrap from a decal to a fully bespoke wrap design for a different and inventive look. We like to say, we built it, you make it. So you might be wondering by now, does our truck have a name? Using the same back to the basics philosophy, we built it, you name it. Place your truck's name on the tailgate using our embossed wrap kit. And now back to Chris.
Thank you, Tisha and Eric. Now that you know more about our truck, I want to spend just a minute on how Slate is going to market. As I mentioned earlier, key to our business is building our truck here in America. Our supply chain is especially American, with the majority of parts sourced in the US, including our battery and its materials. Our factory in Indiana is tooling up now, preparing for first vehicles to reach our customers in Q4 2026. Buying a Slate will be as simple as going to slate.auto. We built Slate to allow for self-service and personalization, but we also have your back if DIY just isn't your thing, with a network of nationwide service partners and installers. So Slate drivers will be covered wherever they live, work, and drive. And because our sales model is direct to consumer, the price you see is transparent and easy to understand. The average price of a new car today is $50,000. The Slate truck is radically affordable at a price under $20,000 after federal incentives are applied. Because we believe vehicles should be affordable and desirable. You can reserve one right now by visiting slate.auto and placing a $50 reservation. And to show how the truck converts to an SUV, we're going to demonstrate it outside. But please, hold on for a minute and wait for our trucks to leave. Thank you.